Hey there. If you collect anything, cards, coins, comics, sneakers, records, you know the feeling of not quite remembering what you own or what it's worth. This is the collection tracker and valuation log, and it turns your collection into an organized, insurable record. Let me show you how it works. We open on the Start Here tab, a quick guide to what each tab does and how to set things up, so you can start logging right away. The dashboard gives you the big picture, how many items you own, your total estimated value, and how your collection breaks down, all at a glance. The collection log is the core. You log each item once with its details, condition, and what you paid, and it becomes your master inventory. Valuation and insurance is where you record current market values, so if you ever need to insure or make a claim, you have a documented dated record instead of a guess. The want list keeps track of the pieces you're still hunting for, so you stay focused and don't buy duplicates. Set completion is perfect if you collect sets. It shows which pieces you have and which you still need to complete each one. The sale and trade log records what you've sold or traded and for how much, so you can see your buying and selling history clearly. Value history lets you track how your collection's value changes over time so you can watch it grow. And the settings tab is where you customize categories and options to fit whatever you collect. That's the whole tracker. Everything you own valued and organized in one file that works in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. If you've been meaning to get your collection in